I'm so excited.
Let's see what's in it. She's having to use my Leatherman because, you know, I need to buy her own pocket knife.
Digits.
I think I'll buy you your own knife for your birthday. Of course, she's got to learn to run it first.
So this is, let's see.
A box.
Was it a 4th of July sale that Make a Wood Sign had on their website? And they had great deals. They're not going to have another sale until Black Friday. And this was stuff we needed anyway. Now I just got to get it open.
You know, it's probably one of those easy pull tab type things on there.
Well, I thought of that after I started pulling, but I didn't see one.
Excuse me.
One package. More paper. 2 package. 3 package. 4. And more paper. Woohoo! Let's see what we got. I'm so excited.
I don't know if y'all can tell, but I think she's happy.
Just don't want to cut nothing important here.
Well, you can only do it 10 times.
Ha ha ha.
Hopefully you'll learn after the first, though.
We have
Hey, router
round over bit.
bit. No, that's a chamfer bit.
Chamfer bit.
Trying to see if it says.
Ooh. I am so
Some
excited.
stencils. See, I like stickers. She likes stencils.
Look at a dragonfly. I ain't gonna pull all of these out here, but I gotta pull some of them out. God bless America.
It's backwards.
Well, it wasn't to me.
It was to us.
Okay, I lied. This was the 2025 stencil set. We have an Easter bunny, a little ghost, a gingerbread man. Oh, cool, a spinning wheel. Dropsy. A knife and a spatula. Ooh, camping coasters. A cat in a fishbowl. Mom. This one will be Eric's favorite. The puppy dog.
Yay! Hairy cow.
Eric cow. And a pirate ship.
Arr, matey. I'm gonna put all that stuff up.
Yeah, let's just put them in this bigger bag because you know me, I ain't gonna get them back
I guess
in
since I
that.
only got one hand, why don't you take that chamfer bit out of the when you get done with fiddling there. Hopefully she'll edit some of this stuff out.
Yeah, you know me.
Oh my gosh.
And put this where?
Just open it up. Yeah, 45-degree chamfer bit, and I believe they have all their bits made by Woodpecker Tools.
That's why they're the good ones.
Well, I still like my bits and bits, but
Woodpecker
And
is
white
good
side.
too. Can't get these. Oh. I just had it from the wrong side. I got a t-shirt. Dave Signs.
Cool.
Awesome.
You know she'll be wearing that shortly.
That's that where we'll get dirty. Oh, look, a thank you for your order gift.
Cool.
Another one for Halloween, which we can get started on those. That's pretty neat looking.
Yeah.
Enjoy this free template on us. Awesome. Here's the good ones. You see on our, was it our last live or a couple lives ago, my router bits are starting to get a little dull. And yes, we're going to sharpen them. However, I need some other bits while they're being sharpened.
Well, and these other bits will do other things too.
So we have a 90-degree V-groove.
If I get this to focus. There we go. You said that's the 90-degree.
90-degree V-groove. We have a 60-degree V-groove. Ooh, I'm excited to use these.
Yeah. Man, I've been outside working and doing stuff. I'm sweating more sitting here in the shop than I was outside.
We have the profile bit, which is, well,
Kinda-
it's a little different than that one, isn't it?
Yeah, that one's a little bit steeper. She'll just call it the pointy one.
The other pointy one. The carving liner, which, no, I think it's a little different too.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we have the spiral, 1/4-inch spiral upcut, which will make taking out the larger excess areas quite a bit easier.
Well, and we got also have another spiral upcut too, but it's not going to hurt to have more than one.
Right. There's the bits. I'm gonna get those back in the bag because you know me, I'm going to set one somewhere and
Never
lose
get
it.
Oh, sticker. Against your shirt.
Woohoo! You already have one of these.
Yep.
But there's their sticker. Y'all check them out on YouTube.
Yep.
They're a great channel, and it's where I watch and learn to router carve.
MakeAWoodSign.com. Y'all make sure to go check those guys out. They do some great work.
Eric and Ryan Roten, like I said, they are awesome.
We'll make sure to tag their YouTube channel and link to their website in the description.
And we have one more. I don't remember what else was in the kit.
Wasp.
Oh boy. Oh, I remember this was one of the main things I wanted.
You're not going to pull out each individual letter,
No.
are you?
So we have the 1-inch. I'll move that over for I, got myself. Fatty font, letters and numbers.
Cool.
We have a 2-inch fatty font, numbers and letters. Was it just the two?
Looks like it.
Looks like it. I missed a bag.
She's going crazy.
I was like, oh, yeah, crazier.
Oh, you caught that, did you?
I have a new base plate for my extra router. And 1.5 inch, the fatty font numbers and letters. I kind of wanted to stick with this one, which it looked like pretty even. It ought to go with everything. I think that'll be good. And the router bit depth gauge. Because you know me, I just eyeball it and wing it.
And then she goes full send.
And then, so, yeah. Ought to be pretty helpful.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, now
Cool.
she gets to put all this stuff away.
And
I'm
get
gonna
the
go-
carving.
I'm going to go back out and work on what I was working on. So,
I'm excited. Y'all go check out Eric and Ryan, makeawoodsine.com, on YouTube.
again, we'll put links to their YouTube channel and link to their website in the description down below.
I think they're on other social medias too, so go look for them. They're out there. And like I said, they're awesome. So stick around, see what we get into next time. And I can't wait to use some of this.
Bye-bye now.